They walked out that casting call looking real suspect.
I knew homegirl didn't check the dress code. She was wearing my Aljai to Coachella.
I knew Blanquito was walking weird. She had her pinky toe sticking out my chunklas.
I knew white boy's roots were dreading the locks in his hair too.
All white cast gets to play dress up, gets to be me for a scene.
Turns colonial colloquialisms into train slang.
RSVPs to the tea party, yet turns up at the cookout.
Gets to be born Joseph and still play Jose. Directors doubt our stories in Clorox so mean girls can play our roles.
And no wonder their clique is called the Plastics.
Cause they fake.
Cause even if they wear pink on Wednesday,
Don't mean they don't wear white every day.
white girl in orange jumpsuit, never been in the street yet gets all the cred.
Acts like she isn't going to be fetched, like she won't get casted, like her name won't still end up in the credits. Too many times we've seen white actors vacate their picket fence mansion.
And watch them move into the Section 8 slum backdrop.
Watch them call their makeup special effects, act like it isn't.
Blackface,
Yellowface.
Brown face, fake tan, bad wig,
like they haven't tried to spiral curl into a black girl.
or full lip flip themselves into a Puerto Rican script like they ain't tried it.
Like white people don't always use our faces to sell out the box office.
We stay geeking out over the boy next door.
Even though we didn't look like the girl he took home, they always forget to say our names, yet memorize our narratives. And yes, I am talking about you,
Johnny, are Pirates of the Caribbean when it's pronounced Caribbean.
Spotlights on you too, Scarlett.
For thinking you can play a trans man when you cis.
And ain't it just like their genetics?
To take on what don't belong to them,
To bury us beneath our plots.
To be both oppressed and oppressor. To be put asleep a brown girl and still wake up a trust fund Barbie bitch.
the mean girl that everybody loves to hate.
The one that always survives even when their character doesn't.
Even when we don't. And white people have always been the best at acting.
Allies on screen that believe Black Lives Matter and still producing an All Lives Matter protest. They can't help but copyright our culture.
Perform a robbery of our stories.
Make our erasure entertainment.
Make it a massacre. Make it a movie.
And still receive a standing ovation.
Isn't that
Just so
fetch?